Honestly, guys, fuck it. Here's how I make over $100,000 every single month online making Fortnite Maps, so you guys can literally just copy me at the palm of your fingers and replicate the same success. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter or if I pause, bear with me. Before the video starts, join the Discord in the link in the description to get a free pre-made successful map that you guys can literally just get started as a beginner and post in seconds and make thousands of dollars a month. You have 24 hours at the time that you're seeing this video. Join the Discord in the link in the description. Now back to the video. Enjoy. But if you guys are looking at my screen, this game has amassed 59,000 players and it's making a grand total of $5,000 every single hour. How is this possible? Well, if we go to the player count of how many people are actually contributing to the Fortnite ecosystem and making games, there's only 40,000 people. So the competition is not a lot. 12 million people are making $10 million every single year. 328 people are making $300,000 a year. And 197 people have become full-time millionaires every single year. And I'm one of those people. I have a software called Versify that will literally build your games out of thin air. And obviously I'm the largest creator inside of this space, but how do you actually get started? Well, if all of you guys can follow along with me, this article called Fortnite Epic Games Payment, this is how you guys are going to be seeing how to actually get paid inside of Fortnite Creative when you're actually trying to make games. So the article is right about here. Just search up Fortnite Creative Payout, and the article is right here. And this is where it actually lists how much money they're going to be giving you. So they give around 40% of their monthly revenue to the top people inside of the space, which I believe is phenomenal and seriously insane. Because if you guys look here, we have the screenshots here. These are the tabs of people making thousands of dollars for literally just doing nothing. It is not hard to actually get started making games. But if we want to go to the engagement size of how much revenue is actually being stored and how much money they're actually giving away, they have their own article. They have their own article showing you, and I'll find it right now. So Epic Games, Fortnite, 40%. Or AI overview can just do it for me. But we go here and we take a little look-see, and we click this link over here. You guys will see the Fortnite Creator Economy 2.0. Starting March 1st, 2023, Epic began reserving 40% of the monthly revenue that they make to the top people inside of the space, which is around $500 million a month, guys. You know, like that's literally life-changing opportunity, life-changing wealth. And the fact that I'm in a position where I can inspire thousands of people to help them get started, which I'm going to show you right now how to do, all you literally have to do is download the Fortnite Epic Games Launcher. So you guys can go ahead and just search up Fortnite Epic Games Launcher, and this is how you guys can actually get started. Like I said earlier, guys, mind the pauses and the stuttering. Usually these videos are edited, but all you guys have to do is just press install on Windows. And when you guys are actually downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, you guys can go to your taskbar and load up Epic Games Launcher. And this is how you're going to be getting started making yourselves games. Obviously, back in Season 9, there was a whole bunch of issues because with the phone, there was kind of limited memory. There was, obviously this was like 6 years ago now, but there was a lot of things that you couldn't do inside of Fortnite map making that you can now do today because of UEFN and the potential that's there for all of us. So when you guys have downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, all you guys have to do is search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite, which is around right about here. So it's completely free. You don't have to do anything. Mind you, you do have to be 18 years of age to actually get started making games, but there's a little workaround that I'll show you guys throughout this video. What you could do is just use your parental guardian information. Obviously, do not take their financial credit cards. Actually ask them politely. Show them this video. Show them this video of the potential of people making millions of dollars, right? So when you guys go ahead and load inside of UEFN, which what I'm going to do right now, my computer might freeze, it might lag, I don't know. So if it cuts out, it cuts out. But while we're loading in here, guys, you guys really gotta hop on this, bro, because I'm making this the biggest business of all time. Mark my words. This is going to be the biggest thing in 2025, and that's exactly what I'm here to do. And that's why I'm making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, just like what Versify is doing as well, my software company with my partner Logan, where it'll literally allow you to bring your fantasies and dreams to life. If you guys go here, we press login, we go ahead and type whatever script we want, double pump. All we have to do, make me a double pump script, and it's going to generate the working code for us right in front of us. Obviously, since we clicked the little 4-box query, it's not really set up for that, so we can go ahead and just manually type it out. So this is all we have to do. Create me a double pump script. Clearly I cannot type, so since I'm typing so fast, I might not understand what I really want to create. But it's pretty easy to do, guys. Like, Versify is a software that you guys can use to make millions of dollars, you know? Here we have the script. Here's the working code. This is how you guys can make codes for your games and make thousands of millions of dollars a month. You know, it's at your disposal. And you know, while we're loading into UEFN, I want to talk to you guys about the content and the channel, because if you guys go on Fortnite map making, there's not a lot of people doing what I'm doing, and there's not a lot of people also educating people. Like if we search up Fortnite map making course, you're not going to see a single person. I'm literally the only person in the world, and it's kind of upsetting because it's kind of hard to bring more people in, you know, right? The highest views in this video is 72,000, and that's pretty much me there. Like, I'm the top search result, and I'd love for you guys to get more on board in map making, because once it's popular, it's not going anywhere. And I'm the first person in the entire world to make this popular, and I want to show you guys exactly how you guys can capitalize and get rich. Because if you guys are still watching this video, I don't want to bore you guys, but if we go here, for example, this game, where is it at? Where is it at? This one. The Squid Games game has made over $1 million in a single weekend. Look at this. So obviously it's just, well, it's been 2 weeks now, but $1.3 million in 2 weeks, guys. Okay? And these are people, right? These developers I personally talked to. Like, these guys, like, we're all leveling up together. Like, in my Discord, which is in the link in the description, thousands and thousands of people are in the Discord where we're all motivating each other to get rich together. You know, obviously I'm ahead of you, right? Because that's how I have authority. I gain these skills so I can teach you. But I'm not that ahead of you. You know, we all have different goals in lives, right? And comparison is the thief of joy. And that's why I want to have all of you guys get started today, as we can, together, you know, before it's too late. So we're going to load into UEFN. We're loaded in UEFN. And what we're going to do is load up projects. This is pretty much the Excel grid. This is where we load into our projects, inside of UEFN. So if we go to verse code testing, this is where I test my software for tutorials and videos to show you guys that it actually works. But the premise of making money is fairly easy. Epic Games pays you 40% of the monthly revenue, but it's based off of island retention. So it's like a YouTube video, right? Like, you guys still watching this content, you have to be averaging a lot of people inside of your game. So around 1,000 players is around $30,000 a month, and 10,000 players is obviously $300,000 a month. The revenue at stake here is astronomically insane. Like, the potential is there. It's really there, guys. It's really there, you know? And I need you guys all to get on board with this today. I know I said no editing, but bro, I look nerdy as hell in that video. But I'm not making fun of myself. I'm smart as hell. I'm making thousands of dollars. I'm motivating millions of people. I'm chilling, right? But like, bro, when I had my glasses like this, I look like Santa Claus. Sorry guys, sorry for goofing around, but let's get you guys back on track here. So like I said, when you guys are loaded inside of the Unreal Editor, all you guys literally have to do is move W, A, S, and D to move around. And we have the content drawer where we can drag and drop things inside of Fortnite. All right. So we can literally drag and drop whatever we want. We have like The Rock over here. I don't know who the hell that is. Moana 2. Movie sucks at the box office. Blah, blah, blah. Like, I don't even know what these skins are sometimes. But, you know, Fortnite has some crazy shit. But guys, if you're looking at the revenue here, this is what you guys want to be doing to make a lot of money. Okay. So if we go to the ranked here, this is Epic's own game mode that they're profiting off of. Like, look. $3 million just like that. And I've made hundreds of thousands. And let me show you guys exactly how really quickly. So if you guys go to my Discord, which is in the link in the description, there's around 3,000-ish people in here. And let me show you guys how I'm making majority of the money, okay? So obviously we help this guy. He has 600 players on his game. And if we go to Fortnite Maps, we go over here. My Discord has a lot of people inside of it. So it's kind of hard to find all the channels. But we have my friend here. He's made $6,000 every single month. Here we go. $6,000 here. And lots of money here. And my loyal fan got himself a computer and helped out his mom with groceries as well. Like, these guys are making millions and millions of dollars. You know? Like, this is what you guys need to be doing to make games. You know, this is what you guys want to be doing. And it's very insane, the potential of what's to come with all of this, right? So if you guys actually want to get started making games, you guys can join Fort Mafia. You guys can get Versified, which will help you make games. You can have me coach you and mentor you. Obviously, this video was more like freestyling, right? And I literally just wanted to give you the truest, authentic version of me, right? And because I know a lot of the times on YouTube, there's not like a lot of, you know, presence. You know, I want to be emotionally connected with you guys. I want you guys to connect with me, right? So I wanted to kind of shatter your self-doubts and beliefs in front of your eyes, because I know a lot of you guys think this isn't real. You know, there isn't that much money to be made, but there is, right? And I'm making this very, very popular for everyone. So I love you guys, and I cannot thank you guys enough for watching this content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach it down below. I'll see you guys very soon, okay? I love you guys. This is how I make over $100,000 every single month online making Fortnite Maps. I'll see you guys very soon. We're going to change the world together. Love you guys, man. If you guys want to get pre-made games, you guys can join the Discord and link in the description. Literally $10 for thousands of games you can repost and make millions of dollars. No brainer decision, but I'll see you guys soon, okay? Love you guys. Peace out. This is the day in the life of a multi-millionaire Fortnite map maker. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm actually making money, showing you guys the entire process of what it actually takes to make money online making Fortnite maps, because this is the day in the life of me, baby. The day in the life of me. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do what I do each and every day. So usually, this is what I do, all right? I'll hop on my computer. This is my computer. I don't know if you guys can see it. And obviously, since I'm creating content, I'm usually looking for outside ideas from different spaces, because I'm always trying to educate you guys the best that I can and motivate you guys. So a lot of the times, I'll go up and search up like Iman Gadzi or Alex Hormozi, all of the finance people. And if you guys don't know how Fortnite map making actually works, essentially Epic Games gives out 40% of their monthly net revenue to the top people inside of the space, which is around $50 to $100 million a month, guys, split evenly amongst the top creators. I find that unreal. So the thing that's making me the most money right now is closing deals with companies and influencers and making them games for them. Because since Fortnite map making is super new, a lot of people are optimistic of the future. They're like, yeah, Davey, this sounds great. Look at all the money that's being poured in. Disney just bought Epic Games for $1.5 billion for 10% stake of the company. So it looks really, really good on paper for businesses to want to invest. And of course, I have a software company called Versify, which is an AI software specifically designed for verse code that will literally make the games for you. Stuff happened with my partner. He kind of screwed me over. So now I'm actually rebuilding it, and that will be launching within the next month. And that was like $1 million business in its first month. Like the valuation was crazy because I had so many investors like hitting me up in my messages every single day, trying to get on board with this map making stuff and make games more efficient for themselves. Don't tell anyone this, guys, but this is a little special preview of Versify in its flesh, dropping literally next month. I cannot wait to show you guys this. All right, so if you guys go on this website here called Fortnite GG, you can actually see the revenue of these Fortnite maps and how much they're actually making. So for example, the pit here is made a whopping $37,000 just today, guys. And if you go to the all-time revenue, he's made over $20 million, guys. And he's in tabs every single day. So how is this happening? So now I want to show you guys my entire thought process of how I actually started this in the first place, so then you guys can replicate the same success that I've had, and you can essentially learn from the best of the best. You can start making games as well. Everyone always asks me, how do I get good ideas? How do we even get started? How do I get paid? Everything. Let me tell you guys everything you need to know. So if you guys go to one of my pages here, this is a game that I actually made called Despicable Me Box PvP, and it literally took me a day to make, and I made $1,500 in the single day of February. It was on the last day of February, and I made 1,100 USD, $1,500 total. Obviously, it's died out now. But guys, the money and potential with this is literally insane. Like, I use this money to help out my mom with groceries. Like, there's so much beneficial factors to making games and making money. Like, let me show you another one, for example. In total, I made around $20,000 with my personal page, but with the businesses and deals, bro, it's in the hundreds of thousands. Like, the impact that I've had on all of your guys' lives, essentially helping you and making you money with your games, is monumental. And I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for sticking with the channel. So if we head on onto the monetization section here, and we go to the all-time revenue of this game, $7,000. So this is like 10,000 USD, I mean Canadian, because this is in USD that they pay you out. And it's usually with island retention. So there is a lot of potential and money to be made with making games. It's honestly crazy, guys. It's really crazy. And guys, you want to know something funny with my content? Is that I literally have a 12-hour video, almost 13-hour video, that you guys can literally just watch for completely free. But moving on, let me show you guys how I actually come up with good ideas and how Fortnite actually pays you. Like, what is their system? Is it like a YouTube video based off of retention? What's the algorithm? Let me show you. Because if you guys go here, there's a news article here, and it shows you everything you need to know to actually get started making games. I'll put the article in the link in the description, but essentially how it favors and recommends games to content inside of Fortnite. It based it off of the retention of the island. So if you guys go to one of my games here, and you guys take a look-see, if we head on over to the analytics, and we go to the retention, usually you want around a 50-minute to an hour playtime, and that's what's going to make you the hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. But if you guys go here, and you look at the playtime, usually you want a longer playtime. You know, 18 minutes, 35 minutes, it's good and all, but you have to consistently average that. Does that make sense? Newsflash, don't want to give you guys a Deadpool fourth wall break, but I am making some nice ass chicken. Bro, this is going to be so fire. Let's get back into the video. Well, realistically, I guess I am the video. It's about me, and I'm helping you. Let's go, baby. Okay, so we are back, and now I want to show you guys how you guys can actually get started making games. Like, actually, because as soon as you guys hear about this opportunity, I know for a fact, like myself included, a year ago, I was like, oh my god, this is so insane, so much money being made, but where do I start? How do I actually get started making games? It seems like there's all this information out there, but there's no regiment, actual routine to actually get started, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do right now. So pretty much I have a program called Fort Mafia, where I actually teach you guys for literally $1 one time forever, teaching you how to make your first $10,000 a month online making Fortnite maps. And the way to do that is by heading inside of the Epic Games launcher. You guys can actually download this free on Google, and you need to download the UEFN and Fortnite, obviously. So once you actually load inside of the Epic Games launcher, all you have to do is search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite, and you will see it right here. It's completely free, and you can just go ahead and download download it. So once you actually load inside of UEFN, this is exactly what it will look like. Obviously, you're not gonna have any projects on your screen. So what I want you guys to go ahead and do is go into Island Templates and open up a large Excel flat grid, which is right here. So you'll open up the project. You can name it whatever you want down here. It doesn't really matter. Right now, I'm just showing you the basics because this is what's gonna lead you to Fortnite financial success making games. So you'll load in the flat Excel grid island and you'll literally just see a flat surface. So as you guys can see, we just have a little flat surface here. Essentially what this is down here, this is the content browser where you can actually browse all of Fortnite's actual assets and actually just drag out and plug and play all of the different effects and devices that you're trying to create inside of Fortnite. It's pretty cool. And a little thing I don't actually tell many people is that actually inside of my Discord, I have a little section where I give out thousands of verse code that will make you guys hundreds of thousands of dollars a month that literally the top creators in the space are using. And obviously that's inside of Fort Mafia, which is literally just $1 forever. You get all of this free coursing and teaching, and you get a call with me every single week. If you want to know more, that's in the link in the description. I highly advise you guys to join the Discord regardless. So now I want to show you guys how you guys can implement everything that I've taught you guys today to actually capitalize on the trend of making games. Because if you guys look at the Fortnite discovery here, all of these guys have wicked ideas, and that's why they're making thousands of dollars. But how do you actually do that? How do you actually have good ideas where these guys are making thousands of dollars a day? What is the likelihood of you achieving that? Well, it's actually pretty likely because what I'm about to show you right now is going to significantly boost your map making journey. So if you guys go and head on into ChatGPT, this is a beginner tool that you guys can use to come up with actual visionary, revolutionary ideas that will actually benefit the Fortnite space and make a lot of money. This is what I want you guys to do. This is how you actually come up with good ideas, all right? So everyone in life had things that they enjoyed to do when they were younger. For me, it was playing basketball, playing Call of Duty, playing video games, Skylanders, whatever, and that's exactly what you need to base your games off. When you guys actually have innovative concepts and ideas, you need to harness the energy and the mindset and the wisdom that you've gained throughout your childhood experiences, because the feelings and perceptions that you have when you're playing your games, when you were a little kid just freewheeling life, those are the exact feelings that people are having playing your Fortnite maps, and that's why you're making the most money. So this is what I want you guys to do inside of ChatGPT right now. So this is what I want you guys to do. So this is what we're going to search up. Create me some Fortnite, and you guys can do the exact same. Please follow along. Fortnite map ideas that will attract and bring in players. And then now you want to base that off of stuff that you enjoyed to do as a kid. So this is the full prompt that you want to go for. Create me some Fortnite map ideas that will attract and bring in players, and then you throw in stuff that you enjoyed to do as a kid. For example, I liked playing Skylanders as a kid. Can you create similar things to this that got me really excited? Question mark. And as you guys can see, it's going to generate ideas that I used to play as a kid, and now it's adding a core memory. So now it actually knows what you actually like doing. So here we have Elemental Realms Adventure. These are ideas and concepts that are wicked for you, because this, if you're actually doing stuff that you actually enjoy, you're going to be a lot more motivated to actually pull through when tough and times get difficult for you. Believe me, man, I've been there, I've done that, I've been in the same position as you. I don't want you guys suffering like I did. I want us to be working together and growing as a community, actually helping each other. This is the biggest community inside of the UEFN space. I'm #1 in the entire space with reason and purpose, because I actually want to help you guys. We are going to change our lives together, I promise you. I don't want you going through the same stuff that I had to go through for months on end. I want to shortline the process for you. I don't want you having to struggle, I promise you, because my main motivator in life is to benefit and help others. That's how I'm going to get rich. That's how I'm going to inspire millions, is by motivating people to do better with their own lives and providing immense value. I love all of you guys, I seriously do. So seriously guys, take the initiative today, take the action today, take the leap of faith, hold yourself accountable. This is the biggest opportunity of our entire lives, and I'm the only one in the entire space capitalizing on it. I want you guys to start making money making game, okay? I came here to revolutionize the space. I came here to make the biggest impact and side hustle of all time ever, and that is what I'm here to do. That is how I'm going to make millions of dollars. That is how you're going to make millions of dollars, is by me educating you and teaching you the success that I've had, so you guys can achieve your dreams, retire your parents, do things after this. Nobody wants to make Fortnite maps for life, but why not capitalize it while we can? And seriously guys, on a high note, please join Fort Mafia. It's $1 and you get to talk to me every single week on call, group calling setting, free games and code every week that you can literally just repost and make thousands of dollars a month, bro. There's no opportunity like that. There's not. I'm doing myself a disservice only charging you one time forever. But I seriously hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please never give up on your dreams, man. I'm gonna have 1 million followers on my main channel. I'm gonna have hundreds of thousands on this one. It's gonna happen. 69 days from now, 2025, I'm gonna achieve all of my dreams. And I know you guys will too, okay? I know you guys will too. So on that note, please click the link in the description and join Fort Mafia and join the Discord. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. Click the last video on the screen right here. Seriously guys, it's been your boy Davey, Davy Skill. Love you guys, man. Never give up. 999. Peace.